Hello everyone, so today we are going to be making these Lollipop superheroes. They're super fun and super easy to make, and we can do lots of different designs however we want. So all you need for these is a lollipop stick that we could have, maybe if we get some lollipops or some ice cream, and a little bit of paper and some glue just to stick it all together. And that is us, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is, if we have a normal coloured lollipop stick, what we're going to do is we're going to colour it in. Mine's is an already coloured one, so I'm just going to leave mine. But if you've just got a brown one, you can colour it in whatever colour you want, decorate it, make it look really cool. And then the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take a piece of paper and we're going to draw a triangle on it. Now it's going to be, using the lollipop stick, it's going to be slightly shorter than the lollipop stick. So I'm gonna, that is the lollipop stick sort of length marked out, and I'm just gonna draw a triangle using that, like so. So that's our triangle there. Now what we're going to do is we are going to decorate it however we want, make our own superhero logo, and then I will show you what to do next. So once we have coloured it in, we're going to cut it out. Make sure that you colour in both sides. So you've got one that's just a pattern, and then on the other side is my superhero logo, and it's called Super Stick because it's made out of a lollipop stick. So we're going to do that on both sides. And what we're going to do is I'm going to grab my glue from in here, and what I'm going to do is we're going to stick the lollipop stick to the paper, to our cape. So I'm just going to put a bit of glue down it like so, and then I'm just going to take the pattern side, which will be the side that we see when we're looking at it from the front, and I'm going to stick our lollipop stick down the middle like so. So that's our cape at the back, and that's our thing, our stick at the front, like that. The next thing that we're going to do is we need to do our superhero mask and our smiley face. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our paper and we're going to cut a little strip that's going to be just slightly wider than the lollipop stick. So it's about the lollipop stick in width, like that, but then when we're going to turn it that way, we're going to trim it down a wee bit, like so. And if we want to decorate this or colour it in, we're going to do that, and once we've done that, we're going to stick it to our lollipop stick. Oh, got a bit of paper stick. Like so. So I'm going to colour mine in, and I'll show you what to do next. Once we have coloured our mask in, like this, what we're going to do is we're going to use our glue again, and we are going to stick it on to the lollipop stick, about just sort of round about the same place the cape starts. So just there. And once it's on, I'm going to just trim it because it's a little bit too wide. You want it slightly wider than the lollipop stick, but not too much. And then what we have to do is we have to draw our face on. I'm just going to use my black pen, and I'm going to draw two eyes on the mask. Like so. I'm going to do a smiley face on the lollipop stick, like that. And then also, as a final thing, I am going to take my pen and I'm going to do a logo on the lollipop stick that matches the cape. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll show you what to do next. So once we have drawn the logo on to our lollipop stick, that is us finished. So this is our superhero, so we can make lots of different ones with lots of different capes and lots of different designs. It's totally up to us, but I hope you had fun with these, and I will see you all soon.